This guy installed a full-size soda vending machine in his living room, but it conceals a secret hidden passageway. Press the secret button combination and the vending machine swings open, revealing an awesome hidden entertainment room. Inside the secret room is a massive foam pit and play space no guest would ever suspect. Behind the wall safe is another hidden tunnel leading straight to a private home sauna lounge. The ultimate secret house layout where everyday objects conceal hidden rooms. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out.